Breaking news. Mark Carney's ultimate authority just blew up in his face today. House of Dominoes. Powerful, powerful constitutional 7-10 rule evaporating. Right now. From a place with 13 likes and loves online. They signed the first MOU in Churchill's frozen ground. Newfoundland was promised powers, new utopia to be found. But the liberals shook the hand while the committee stayed behind. Tony Wakeham read the fine print and he drew the bitter line. They didn't rip it up completely, just removed the crowns on stamps. Said we don't accept the bargain, we're a proud and stubborn camp. Back to drawing boards, you Ottawa pretender. This little rock just broke in 1941 defender. And the 7-10 rule evaporates today. Mark Carney's constitutional power gone away. Not from Toronto, not from Parliament's dome. From a Facebook post in Newfoundland, a 13 like home. Tink, 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 watch the dominoes fall. Little province standing up, saying nothing at all to your national interest, your autocratic claim. The Atlantic Charter's rising, you forgot our veteran's name. He's scrambling out to British Columbia, frantic on the line. David Evie, hold the line, that 7-10 rule was mine. But without that first MOU, without Newfoundland seal, Alberta sees the pipeline smoke, the carbon price gets real. And PEI's 155,000 souls who just watch a tiny premier smash your sweeping federal goals. You thought the Clarity Act gave you godlike sweeping rights. One committee in St. John's just turned off all your lights. And the 7-10 rule evaporates today. Mark Carney's constitutional power gone away. Not from a court, not from a rebel's gun, from the province that lost the most when the world wars were won. Tink, 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 the dominoes cascade. The MOU's not ripped, but the empire's frayed. You can't bind us with your signatures, your national emergency bluff. Little Newfoundland's had enough. Ogdensburg, 1940. The Atlantic Charter, 41. Signed in our waters, King and Churchill, before Canada had won. We weren't even your country, yet you tricked the referendum. 99 years of Labrador power, we remember them per capita. We gave the most World War I, World War II. Don't lecture us about national interest, we built NATO for you. And now, Mark Carney's dominoes are falling, falling fast. The first domino was Newfoundland, the little rock that lasts. The 7-10 rule evaporates today. Mark Carney's ultimate authority swept away. From a corner of Canada you never even think. One premier, one committee, one pen, a printer, ink, tink. There goes Quebec share. Tink, there goes BC stare. Mr. 7-10 thought he had the constitutional chain, but Newfoundland just stood for the United States again. I kid you not, it's real, it's in writing, published today. Authentic, credible, verifiable. Tony Wakeham, 13 likes and loves. And Mark Carney's House of Dominoes. Tink, 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 gone. Share this, get it out there. Little Newfoundland, David and Goliath. I told you so. Confederation's a joke.